Namaskar, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of National Human Rights Commission, we extend a warm welcome to the Honorable President of India on this momentous occasion of Human Rights Day. It's a great honor to have the august presence of the Honorable President of India, Srimati Droupadi Murmu ji. We are also privileged to have Shri Justice Arun Mishra, Honorable Chairperson NHRC, Honorable Judges of the Supreme Court, Honorable Members and Secretary General NHRC, UN Resident Coordinator in India and other foreign dignitaries amidst us this morning. विज्ञान भवन के इस प्रांगण की शोभा बढ़ा रहे बाल सदन के छात्र, दिव्यांगजन, स्वच्छता कामगार, LGBTQI सदस्यों का आप सभी का हम हृदय से स्वागत, हृदय से अभिनंदन करते हैं। यह तो धर्म तत्व जया की परंपराओं वाला हमारा भारत, जहां मानवाधिकारों की संकल्पना सदियों पुरानी है। ये वो भारत है जो संघर्षों की प्रचंड अग्नि में जला, विदेशी आक्रांताओं के निरंतर आघातों को सहकर भी सत्यमेव जयते एवं अतिथि देवो भव के आदर्शों से नहीं हिला, जहां मानव सेवा को माधव सेवा, मानवाधिकारों को मानव धर्म का दर्जा दिया जाता है। हमारी इन्हीं शाश्वत परंपराओं में शामिल है दीप ज्योतिर नमोस्तुते की दिव्य परंपरा। माननीय राष्ट्रपति जी से करबद्ध आग्रह, कृपया दीप प्रज्वलित कर आज के कार्यक्रम का मंगलमय आगाज करें। मंच पर आसीन अन्य गणमान्य विभूतियों से भी मेरा निवेदन, कृपया दीप प्रज्वलन की इस परंपरा में शामिल होकर हम सबका गौरव बढ़ाएं। शुभम भवतु कल्याणम, आरोग्यम पुष्टिवर्धनम, आत्म तत्व प्रबोधाय, दीप ज्योतिर नमोस्तुते। वो पावन धरती जहां ज्योति प्रतीक है न केवल प्रकाश का, बल्कि शांति का, संपन्नता का, सहिष्णुता का, सौहार्द का, मानव संवेदनाओं का और सबसे बढ़कर ऊपर उठने के निरंतर संकल्प का। अस्तु मां सद्गमया तमसो मां ज्योतिर्गमया की वो पावन परंपरा, जिसकी मिसाल हिंदुस्तान ने पूरी दुनिया में कायम की है, उन्हीं परंपराओं के मार्ग पर आगे बढ़ते हुए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद माननीय राष्ट्रपति जी। मैं नाउ रिक्वेस्ट श्री जस्टिस अरुण मिश्रा, ऑनरेबल चेयरपर्सन NHRC, for the welcome address on this special day as we enter into the 75th year of UDHR.
Honorable President of India, esteemed members of the Commission, present and former judges of the Supreme Court, Attorney General for India, chairpersons and members of the Tribunal, national commissions and state commissions, officers of the central and state government, office bearers and representative of the United Nations organizations, diplomats, learned members of the bar, media persons, civil society members, distinguished invitees, students, members of LGBTI, Swachhata Karmi, ladies and gentlemen. Universal Declaration of Human Rights is entering the 75th year of Amrit Kal. It is a proud privilege to have women present on the occasion, adorning the highest constitutional post of the world's largest thriving democracy. It shows India's supreme commitment to human rights and social order, providing justice and dignity to all sections of society. It also manifests fragrance of our constitutional democracy. Her journey from being a school teacher to becoming the president has been a source of inspiration. Her inimitable and undeterred pursuit of social service for the welfare and upliftment of the poor and underprivileged is laudatory.
May I request the Honorable Chairperson to release the journal and present the first copy to the Honorable President of India. This journal is an important tool that gives an insight into a large spectrum of human rights issues. It's a noble collection of articles by eminent academicians, research scholars, human rights and legal experts. NHRC also brings out other significant publications can be seen on the NHRC website. Thank you, sir. May I now request Honorable President of India to kindly address us and guide us on the path of human rights protection. माननीय राष्ट्रपति जी से विनम्र आग्रह कि अपने आशीर्वचनों से हमारा मार्गदर्शन करें, हमें आशीर्वाद दें, माननीय राष्ट्रपति जी।
Chairperson, National Human Rights Commission, Sri Justice Arun Kumar Mishra, members of the NHRC, Sri Justice M.M. Kumar, Justice Dr. D.M. Mulai, Sri Rajiv Jain, NHRC Secretary General, Sri D.K. Singh, the chairpersons and representatives of the Human Rights Commissions of the states, even resident coordinator in India, Sri Samboy Sarf, distinguished guest, ladies and gentlemen. I am glad to be participating in the Human Rights Day celebrations organized by the National Human Rights Commission. It is an important occasion for the whole of humankind, as it was on this day in 1948 that the United Nations General Assembly adopted the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, also known as UDHR. The adoption of the UDHR was a landmark event in world history. Today, there is a high degree of awareness about the concept of human rights. The principle of equality underpinning it has been widely accepted. But nearly 75 years ago, the world was a bit different. The large number of human beings were treated as less than equal. The advent of modernity, it seemed, had dispelled the clouds of the dark ages, but the sun of progress was yet to shine everywhere. At that point, the world leadership got together, drafted this milestone document and proclaimed that each of us as a human being is entitled to basic rights. Today, we fail to understand why something as simple as basic dignity could be denied to someone solely on the basis of their race, religion, gender, or language, or where and in which group they were born. Any mention of the UDHR is bound to remind us of the incomparable contribution made by an Indian to its drafting. Hansaben Mehta, as you know, was India's representative to the UN Human Rights Commission, when the very first line was drafted as all men are born free and equal. It was Hansaben who suggested changing it to all human beings are born free and equal. A minor correction with major implications. She was a She was a disciple of Gandhiji and widely participated in the freedom struggle, which I think explains her refined sensitivity. Yet, progress towards equality has been a slow journey in many places. The text of the UDHR is said to have been translated into more than 500 languages, which makes it the most translated document in history. Still, when we consider the sad developments that keep taking place in many parts of the world, we wonder if the declaration has been read at all in some of those languages. Ladies and gentlemen, the fact remains that human rights are a work in progress around the world. At home, however, we can take solace in the fact that the National Human Rights Commission has been making the best possible efforts to spread awareness about them. Now, in its 30th year, the NHRC has done a commendable job of protecting as well as promoting human rights. It also participates in various global forums for human rights. India is proud of the fact that its work has been appreciated internationally. It has been enjoying the status of accreditation with the global network of national human rights institutions called GANHRI.